How to recover deleted stories on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can recover your deleted stories on Instagram. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you uploaded a story to Instagram and let's say you went ahead and then deleted it before the story expired right here. So right over here, if I tap on this and I tap the three dots icon, then I tap the delete button right here, you can see. And then let's say I deleted the story before the story expired. What I can do is I have up to 24 hours before I can recover that deleted story. In order to recover that story, I can just come to my profile page, tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side. Then from there, I can go to the option Your Activity and tap on it. From Your Activity, just scroll down and look for this trash icon that says recently deleted and tap on it. And on recently deleted, you'll find the story and the post that you've recently deleted. So just go ahead and then select that particular story. Then you can tap on the more icon or the three dots icon from the bottom right. You can choose to either permanently delete it this time or you can choose to restore it. So you can just tap on this icon. Let me just go ahead and repeat that. And you can choose to restore it. And when you restore this, within 24 hours, your story will be able to restore and other people will be able to view it again if you go to your story, as you can see. So that's all it takes for us to recover our deleted stories on Instagram. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.